Okay, I purchased this at Walmart, and it's a knife, spoon, and fork set, and the brand name is Ozark Trail. It's less than $5, so it's cheap, and the quality of it is kind of cheap too. It's not a real high-grade quality product, but it's functional. So when it's joined together, it looks like a Swiss Army knife. And you unfold these, and it comes apart. And it has these little brass tabs, and when you close the fork and the spoon down, it locks onto these tabs when it's put back together. So the concept is good, it's just kind of cheaply made. So you get separate silverware this way. So there's your fork, and there's your spoon, and then they put the spoon with the knife. So there's a knife, because you're more likely to use the fork and knife together, so you can hold your food and then cut it. Like I said, the idea is cool, but overall it's a pretty cheap item quality wise, but it is affordable. And they have some other accessories too. A bottle opener, wine bottle opener, can opener, and some kind of an awl or something. So I'll probably never use those, but you never know. So I like the idea of it. The quality of it's not real great. But the one thing I like that I don't like the most is the weight. It's really heavy. Some people like eating with heavy silverware, so if that's the case, this would probably be a good choice for camping or survival, for a survival bag. But if you're having to carry a survival bag, this is just more weight. So if you could put up with lighter weight silverware, it might be a better way to go. But this is pretty cool. It is pretty cool how it goes back together. So what makes it cheap quality wise is you have to make sure everything's just right. Yeah, okay, so it looks like I put it together right. So there it is, and this is at Walmart for less than $5. If this is something you think you need and you don't care about the weight of it, it probably would work pretty good for you.